Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1 litre Vista finished in Emocion red. Great specification on this car. Features include the LED daytime running lamps and the front fog lights. 16-inch alloy wheels. This model also has the colour-coded mirror caps and door handles. The rear of the car there's parking sensors. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Ample loading space in the rear for a 3-door. Easy access to the rear with one-hand operation. Car seats 5 in total. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 13,200 miles. Touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls. Air conditioning, storage at the front with a 12-volt power source, USB and 3.5mm auxiliary. If you'd like any further details of this particular car, please contact Patrick on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.